So after completing the 3 experiments, now we will switch over to the 20 illuminating, enlightening, day brightening facts about light. So let's get into the topic. The United Nations has declared 2015 the International Year of Light to showcase to the citizens of the world the importance of light and the optical technologies in their lives for their future and for the development of society. Light is the fundamental to theoretical physics, from Einstein's general relativity to quantum computers of the not too distant future. It literally and figuratively the lights up our lives in ways too numerous to list, so we stuck with just 20. Let's scroll down and discover the various illuminating facts about light. So the first fact is sunlight can reach a depth of 80 meters in the ocean, roughly 2000 meters deeper, lives of bioluminescent anglefish, which has lure of glowing flesh to attract prey. It's hideous. Humans are bioluminescent from metabolic reactions, but glow is 1000 times weaker than naked eye can register human fail. The facts are indeed interesting. More than 1000 billion photons of light strike a tip of a needle every second, unless dug quite deep in a haystack. The sun emits enough energy in a single second to heat up 3200 billion hot packets. The world's longest lasting light bulb. Here, check it out. It's in California. Since 1901. Can you imagine? So, this is an interesting effect. The photic sneeze reflex, which causes uncontrollable sneezing in presence of bright light. 18 to 35% of the population go through this. But why? Can anyone tell? I don't know. Some animals can see the light that we can't. Example, honeybee. See the Niagara Falls. It's the wonder of light and nothing else. It was first electrically lit up in 1879.